reply to star question 47. Sir, no bill regarding UCC has been passed by the Rajya Sabha on the said date.
Explanation has already been done. The questions are applicable question, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, if not on this date, sir, whether the government of India has passed this bill or not?
Sir, just for the benefit of the House, the UCC Bill 2022 was introduced as a private member's bill. It was not introduced by Government of India. Private members' bills are brought in by individuals at their individual level and capacity. So the bill has been brought in as a private member's bill, not by the government, number one. And number two, sir, in the list of pending bills in the Rajya Sabha, this one is number 100. So it is there, it was introduced as a private member's bill, and that was all, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, then Samoy, please.
So, may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, in that case, whether that UCC bill was passed as a private member's bill in the Lok Sabha or the government's bill introduced in the Lok Sabha?
So I'm repeating, sir, this bill was a private member's bill, not Government of India bill. Number two, it was introduced in the Rajya Sabha. And number three, it has been introduced, and that's all, sir. There's no passage of any of this bill, sir. It's just introduced, and it's pending as a private member's bill in the Rajya Sabha.